Hey guys, check this out. It's my daily commute down these stairs, right down that path to my shop. But it's starting to get a little dangerous. I think this old deck has served its purpose. Look at this. It's time to build a new deck. And the good news, guys, is our custom cut deck load of Rocky Mountain Douglas Fir has just come out of the kiln. Right over there. So let's get this stuff unloaded. So we already did all the math when we were milling this stuff for the deck. And right here I've got my two beams, the main beams, front and rear. They're cut 7 3/8 by 3 1/2. And these are a little over 12 foot long. It's going to be a little bit bigger than what you saw. Alright guys, so that's the joists we need. We'll be cutting those in half. We still got to edge them. These are left to do our garage roof over there. If you look real close, you can see the string line. Okay, we're gonna pre-build this thing over here, pre-stain it, so that when we get over there, all we've got to do is assemble it. And we've got all our dimensions and everything we need right here on the master plan. We'll cut everything into 8-foot segments to make it easier to stain it. We've got our posts. That's a whole nother project. That's part of the roof over here. Got to get a bunch more of the decking. We'll get everything cut, stacked, stained, and ready to go. All right, next we super deck. Super deck. It's our go-to stuff. So I'm going to stain all 6 sides of all of this stuff, guys. Wood just loves this stuff. It loves it. Look at it. Thought we were going to run out of this stuff. Come here, let me show you something. You can get super deck in this handy 5-gallon size right here. Super deck. So you come back next time and we'll start framing it up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Down, but wasn't a very good delivery, was it?